Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 165, lecture 5. To construct an angle of 60 degree. Example 7. Draw an angle ABC measuring 60. How to draw angle 60? Step 1. Draw BC. Draw BC. Then step 2. With B as a center and with a suitable radius, draw an arc to intersect BC at point P. Then step 3. With P as a center and with the same radius, draw another arc with the intersect the previous arc at Q. Same radius. Step 4. Join B and Q. And step 5. Extend BQ to A from angle ABC. The angle ABC is equal to 60 degree is the required angle. Now, how to construct an angle of 30 degree? An angle of 30 degree can be constructed by bisecting of 60 degree angle. Example 8, picture 2. Step of construction. How to construct? Step 1, construct of 60 degree angle. Step 2, with P as a center with a suitable radius, draw an arc in between the arm BC and BA. Step 3, with Q as a center and with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect the previous. Step 4, join B and R. Two angles are formed. Angle ABR is equal to 30 degree and RBC is equal to 30 degree. Page number 163 done.